Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Vikas Ranjan, pursuing BTech in Electronics and Communication from Sant Longowal Institute of Engineering and Technology, Punjab. Today I am going to show you the procedures and circuit diagram for making anti-theft alarm system. At first, I would like to tell you what is anti-theft alarm. An anti-theft system is any device or method used to prevent or deter the unauthorized appropriation of items considered valuable. Now I am going to show you the electronic components. These are buzzer alarm, a switch, 9-volt battery, 9-volt battery clip. Now other components which are required apart from electronic components are glue gun, a clip, soldering iron, soldering wire, a paper, thread, pieces of wire. Now here is the circuit diagram of the project. This is 9-volt battery, and then it is connected to a switch, which is then connected to buzzer alarm, and this is connected to clip, which will complete the whole circuit. This is the model of the project. Here this is the alarm, this is 9-volt battery, this is clip, battery clip, this is switch, and this is a paper which will complete the whole circuit. If the paper is stuck off from this system, then automatically an alarm which produces a sound. Now we will show the whole project on the door. Now welcome again. This is the system which has been pasted in the door, and this is a paper through which thread is connected, and here it has been pasted. Now the system working can be told in this way that there is the project which has been fixed into it, and this project will ensure us that if someone from outsiders will enter in the room, then the person who is inside the room will be able to notice that somebody has entered the room. Now we will be looking the practical of this project. So here the person has entered the room, and as you have noticed that the buzzer alarm produces a sound. Once again he has pasted the paper into the clip by which the circuit is disclosed. Once again the circuit is disclosed, and if another person will come from outside, then also after the paper struck off from this system, the circuit will be open and the buzzer alarm produces a sound, and hence in this way the person who is inside the door will be noticing that the person who is coming from the outside will be noticeable. So friends, I hope this video would be liked by all of you. Please do comment and subscribe the channel.